everybody, today is just going to be a quick little unboxing video on my new ring light that I purchased off of Amazon Prime. I ordered this selfie stick ring light like on a Thursday, and it came on a Friday with 1-day shipping. So if you guys don't have Amazon Prime, be getting it like right now. Okay, so it came wrapped up in like foam. There's the ring light, and the rest was wrapped in plastic. So it did not come with the back piece, it just came with the USB, so you will need a back piece for it. You see it clips onto the counter, and then there's where you put your phone into, of course, and then there's the ring light. And you can adjust this to whatever you want it to be. You can bend it, as well as the thing for your phone to go in. You can bend that and twist that as well. And I'm just going to go and twist it so that my phone can fit inside of it horizontally. So here's the overview of the ring light selfie stick holder or whatever. Y'all, I love this so much. Like, I'm not hyping this up, I'm not over exaggerating. I love this. And then you could even adjust the light brightness. It goes from like a low to a very bright color. And they give you like a switch to do that, which I will show you guys soon. So here's the switch. And to change the light color, you can press the button in the middle, and it goes from yellow to white to bright white. And then if you want to adjust the brightness, you can press the minus sign, which makes the light go down. And then if you want to increase the brightness, you can press the plus sign to make it go brighter. And this is as bright as it gets, y'all. Look how bright this light is, and it's so small. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I just love this light. And then it clips on the counter. This light is everything. Be ordering this light, y'all. Okay, so here's what you search for when you go to Amazon: the selfie ring light cell phone holder, and this will pop up. It is $12.99, and it does have 1-day shipping if you are a Prime member. So be invested in your Prime membership. And here's just pictures of everything that's included. If you guys do decide to go out and buy this, please let me know how you guys like it and what you think of it. But other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And leave your comments below on what you think. Have a good day, and peace out, y'all.